Alright, so I've given up on trying to catch fresh squid, even though I'd love to eat them. I need to catch something. I have 2 small rockfish on board already because I switched to the frozen squid I brought. I'm just doing some drifts over some shale and rock. Picking up a few rockfish for dinner. Oh yeah. Little black. We'll keep them. That's what I'm talking about. Is a blue rockfish. Not huge, but it's big enough to give us some meat. It's almost a full meal. Is too cool not to go check out. There's tons of them right there. Oh my gosh, there's so many. All these humongous dorsal fins all out of the water. And I'm in this boat. That can't help. They're beautiful when they breach. These are Risso dolphin, R-I-S-S-O. A lot bigger than the normal dolphin. They almost look like killer whales. They're all over the place. Oh man. They're gonna get around me in a minute. Big they are, holy cow. That's amazing. Wow. Alright, I think I'm done. Good day on the water. Didn't catch any squid like I wanted to come down here for. And didn't catch many fish as a backup, but the Risso dolphin experience was made up for it. That was dope. That was really awesome. May have been the coolest marine mammal experience I've ever had, swimming that close to me underneath the kayak. So I had a great day. That alone made the whole day worth it. Plus I saw lots of sea otters. I did catch some fish. I heard on the radio people caught 1s, 2s, and 3s of squid, so it just wasn't me. It was everyone. But yeah, good day on the water. It's always a good day on the water when you're going home safe. Even better when you have a cool experience and bring home dinner. Bye.